Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tends to Math, Do Math, No Myth. In today's lesson, we learn about set theory which is very helpful for the student of class 11. We have already learned the symbol which is related to set theory. So let's move on to today's topic. Set theory. What is set? A set is a collection of definite and distinct well-defined object. Which are independent of order. Okay, so what is set? A set is a collection of definite and distinct well-defined objects which are independent of order. If we give one example of set of natural number. Set of natural number built by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, ... infinity. So this is the set of natural number which have definite and distinct element and they are all independent of order. Okay. There are two types of set. Sets are form of sets are two types. One is roster form and the other is set builder form. Okay. So form of set is two type, roster form and set builder form. Now we give an example of roster form. Set of vowels. Set of vowels A, E, I, O, U. If we can write this form of set where second bracket are used and all the elements are distinctly written, then this form is called roster form. And set builder form is X such that X is vowel. Then it is called roster form. Also 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here we can write this roster form in set builder form as X such that X is an even number and 0 less than X less than 12. Then we can write this set builder form as this roster form. Okay, X such that X is an even number and X belongs to 0 to 12. The value of X is greater than 0 but less than 12 and also X is an even number. So the value of X is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay. So what is set? A set is a collection of definite and distinct well-defined objects which are independent of order. This is an example of set. Form of sets are two types, roster form and set builder form. Here roster form is written as in this way and set builder form is written as in this way. Okay. Now next, subset. What is subset? We take an example. A is a set which contain some elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let us take another set B which contain 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here we see that the set B contain the element of set A, but the set A is larger than set B. So we can say that B is a subset of A. Okay. So what is subset? When a set contain some element of other set, then it is called subset. Subset must be equal to or less than the main set. Here A is the main set which contain 8 element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and B is the subset of A which contain 3 element 3, 4, 5 which is the member of A. Okay. So B is a subset of A. A is a subset of B means X belongs to A implies X belongs to B. A is a subset of B. It means an element X which is belongs to A and it is also belongs to B. Okay. Next is singleton set. Singleton set is nothing but a set which contain one element. This is called singleton set. That is, if I give an example, A equal to X such that X X is a natural number and -1 less than X less than 2. Okay. X such that X is a natural number -1 less than X less than 2. The value of X is greater than -1 but less than -2. So X contain element, if I draw a number line 0, -1, 1, 2, but we say that X is greater than -1 less than 2. If X is greater than -1, then X must contain 0 and 1. Since it less than 2, so it does not contain 2. It only contains 2 elements 0 and 1. But here is a restriction that X is a natural number and we know that a set of natural number does not contain 0. So here X contain only one member in its set. So X equal to singleton 1. Since this set contain only one element, so it is called a singleton set. Okay. Next, is null set. Null set is a set which does not contain any element. That is, it is a void set. Okay. So null set denoted by phi. Let us take an example. A equal to P such that null set. Let us take an example. A equal to P such that P is a real number and P square plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Now from P square plus 1 we get P equal to root over minus 1 plus minus root over minus 1. So it means plus minus I, which is a complex number. So we cannot get any real number which is the value of P. So here P is the null set. Sorry, A is the null set or void set which have not any element, which does not contain any element. Okay. So P is a null set. We can denote it by it as or the symbol phi. Okay. Next is universal set. We take an example that set of real number. Set of real number. Set of real number contains set of natural number, set of integers, set of whole numbers, set of rational numbers, set of irrational numbers. So here R is a universal set which contain n, j, w, q, I minus q. Okay. So universal set contain more object. Next is equal set. Let us take an example. A equal to A, E, I, O, U and another set B equal to I, E, U, A, O. Here the number of elements and the element itself are same in the both the sets. So we may write A equal to B. So A is equal to B. Next is proper subset. What is proper subset? Let us take an example. A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 2, 3. Here B is the proper subset of A. What is the difference between subset and proper subset? Subset, the symbol of subset is, and the symbol of proper subset is subset either less than or equal to with the universal set, and proper subset is always less than with the universal set. So this is the main difference of subset and proper subset. Okay. Next is power set. What is power set? Let us take a set A equal to xyz. The subset of these sets are phi, this set itself, singleton x, singleton y, singleton z, xy, yz, zx. So power set is a set which contain all the subset of a given set, and any set subset of any set must be phi and itself. Okay, so this is the example of power set. Here the set contain 3 elements and the power set contain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 element. So if a set contains n elements, then its power set contains 2 to the power n elements. Hope you guys like my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and press the all option for getting daily updates. If you have any queries, then comment in the comment section and share this video in your Twitter, Facebook and Instagram and also in your WhatsApp account. So take care and goodbye.